Bring back the remains of Baba, which we did. And of course, since yesterday, we have been held up with issues here and there in Nairobi, including the event at Kasarani and today's event at Nyayo Stadium. So I am happy that Siaya County is ready to receive guests who will be coming to mourn with us. And I'm also happy that Siaya County is proud to give Baba a befitting send-off as our foremost leader, not only in this region, but in the whole country. Secondly, I want to thank profusely, I want to thank in a very, very big way His Excellency the President, Dr. William Ruto, for making a proclamation to accord Baba Raila Odinga a state funeral with full military honors. That is something that we cannot take for granted, because he has simply used his discretion as the commander-in-chief to make that proclamation. Many of you will recall that even Ramogi Odinga, who was the first vice president of this republic, was never accorded such honor when he passed on in 1994. And therefore, thank you very much, Your Excellency President William Ruto, for honoring not only Baba and the Jaramogi family, but honoring the Luo community and generally the followership of Baba as a whole. Thirdly and lastly, indeed, is to affirm that Baba has left us as a people in government. Baba Raila Odinga has left us in government led by President William Ruto. And that is where we are going to stay. Till the end. Yes. Till the end. And I can dare say, without any fear of contradiction, that we are going to walk step by step with President William Ruto to the end. Now and beyond 2027. That I must say from here. I must say from here. And ODM, which is the party that I belong to, and that all of us here belong to, has made a very wise decision to appoint Dr. Oburu Oginga as the acting party leader. In fact, I will be proposing as a life member of ODM that the ODM convenes very, very quickly, soon after Baba's send-off, the National Delegates Convention, to actually confirm Dr. Oburu's appointment and in fact to elect him formally as the party leader of ODM. Because we believe Dr. Oburu Oginga has got the wherewithal, the necessary experience and the composure to steer this party to the next level, whilst working closely with our partners in the broad-based government, who are UDA, led by President William Ruto. So I want to remove any doubts whatsoever from whomsoever's mind that this region will remain intact. This region is going to remain intact within ODM and is going to get leadership and direction from the party leader, that is Dr. Oburu Oginga, going forward, youth leader. So that is like and finally, as we send off Baba on Sunday, we shall be receiving very many guests who are coming from outside Siaya County. And some will be coming from outside Kenya indeed. So we expect our people to accord our guests, all of them, without exception, the necessary hospitality for them to feel at home. We want this funeral to send a very strong message, not only to Kenya but to the whole world, that we, the people of this region, remain united, remain organized, and remain committed to the ideals that were espoused by Baba Raila Odinga. So thank you very much. Yeah. Yes.
KBC. We've had public viewing in Nairobi, and there's one also slated in Kisumu tomorrow. Could you please assure people that there will be public viewing in Kisumu, and probably tell us if there are similar arrangements in Bondo?
I don't want to speak on behalf of the committee, because there's a committee in Nairobi co-chaired by Dr. Kithure Kindiki, the Deputy President, and Dr. Opiyo Wandayi, and the local committee here. What we know is that Kenyans, since yesterday, have been accorded a chance to view Baba's body. That is going to continue until the final time when it's going to be interred. Yes. Awache weche mang'eny ahinya mok danga lok gidulu baruba tieki. To gimaduong' ahinya en ni wan kaka jo Siaya, wan kaka oganda mar joluo, wago erokamano nyani President William Ruto kuom miyo jakom dhial makende e thoni by miest full military honors and state funeral. Mar ariyo, wawacho ni wan wadhi dong' kendo wadhi bet e sirikal ma Baba weyo aye, men sirikal ma broad based ma jatelo marwa en William Ruto. Kendo kaka ODM wadhi wuotho kod President Ruto nyaka dakika mogik. To mogik wasiro welo mar Dr. Opiyo Wandayi kaka jatelo mar ODM. Kendo wadhi temo matek mondo opuodhe kamili obede komno nyaka giko.
Yes.
Erokamano ahinya.
Thank you so much.